Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible occupant rollover protection, power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.